Now it's time to meet Mr. Postman who is running our Postman engine. So we'll begin with customizing our Postman profile. Um, we have gone through the navigating the user interface of the Postman. So now we will customize our Postman profile. So that's where we will begin, and we will go step by step. We will explore Postman step by step. So I think by following my previous videos, you also have created a Postman account. Then after you create your Postman account, we can customize our Postman profile. So once our Postman profile is customized, so our profile gives us a way to share important information about about ourselves with other Postman users. Okay, so basically a Postman profile includes a profile pic, a short bio, and about me section, highlights. By and large, it's similar to a social media account, but it's somewhat specific to software related designing and also where you can mention your GitHub profile also. Okay, so what will we do is we will first open our Postman app, and then we will go through the our profile. I'll go through my profile, you should go through your profile. Then after that uh, we'll make our account public, and we'll do few more exercises in that. Okay, so let's get into the Postman. Yeah, so this is our Postman account, and this is my account. So now here, if you see on top, we have discussed about the header on top. Okay, this header, here you have an invite, and after that you should see the settings, and here you should see manage accounts. So let me click on manage accounts, and it pops up a window. That window consists of view profile and the teams that I've connected with, and we can create a new team, and settings about your profile, and sign out, and you can switch to account by adding a new account. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on view profile. So if you see this is our view profile, this is my profile. And if I click on view public profile, I could see a complete information about mine. So you should see about me section, and in addition to that, if I click on edit my profile, you should see a name, you should see the public a profile picture. Here I can edit the profile picture and cover, and after that the name. So I have taken it as a Charan API. You can make it anything else, whatever you want. And then this is my username, system generated. Then more information, a short bio, and links such as GitHub and Twitter, website. Then we can have more information. We can give about me section, and we can add highlights, and we can go to the activity feed with the chronological lists of your public activities and all public API collections and workspaces that we can create. Let me get back to that previous section. So one more step back. Here you could see the teams, and here you can see the highlights. You see that highlights, but no work to highlight at this moment. And here you should see activity feed. So no activity feed at. So now let me get into that previous section where I could show you um, APIs that I am using and collections. So at this moment, yeah, I have a few pretty much okay. Okay, some collections, environments. So for Postman environment I used, and then mocks. So Postman is the one mock I have created. Then monitor API monitor is one I have created. So this is about it's not just a simple it's not just a simple profile. It's not only you'll find information about your profile and your information. In addition to that, you'll get complete information regarding what activities that you're doing and what you have done so far, APIs, collections, environments, and everything. Okay, so now the first task that we are gonna do here is I'll take a sticky note. Okay, that's fine. I'll use this. And so task one, this is task 1.1, making your profile public. Making our profile public. So that's what is our first activity. So let's do that. So by default, your Postman profile is visible to your Postman team, and you can also choose to make your profile public to the Postman community. Having a public profile enables you to share important information about yourself and your work with other Postman users. To do that, we have to get into the profile. Just click on here, manage accounts, and then scroll down. Yeah, come down here. You will find a settings option in your popped up window. So then I'll click on the settings option. So once the setting comes, then we have to select a profile. So you see that a profile from the list of options that are available in the settings. So I'll click on profiles. Once we navigated to the profiles, then I'll click on uh, yeah, so now I have entered into the profile. So I'll just scroll down to find out the public profile. So you see that the public profile. So it's make my profile public. This will allow others to discover you on Postman and learn more about your work. So let me un if I undo it, so my public won't be my profile won't be public. So I will check it. So my profile will be public. That's it. This is how. And then once you're checked in, so then you have to click on update profile. I haven't done any changes, so that's why I can't. But if you have done any change, just click on update profile. That's it. So this task one. Then we will look into task two. That's updating updating our personal information. Okay, so task one is done. Let me mark it. Let me say okay. So task one is done. Now it's task two. So task two, so update. If you want, we can update our profile pic. So I will keep that only, the default one from here. So you can just click on this to update your profile cover, and you can update your profile pic from here. And then so after that, you can see this. You can attach your name here, whatever you want, and username also. So public profile, I made it. And let's add tell people more about yourself. So what we're gonna do is we will attach our information. So what I want to tell to the public that whoever is going to watch it, so you also make it a little creative so that everybody can like it. Okay, so let me write that. So a bio, a small bio. So I'll say I'm I'm a human intelligence who builds and deploys artificial intelligence. And to make artificial intelligence, artificial intelligent entities to communicate which with each other. Okay, that's okay. So that bio is enough, and so I'll give my website http, that's imlaik www.imlaik.com. This is my website. Twitter, I don't use it. So GitHub, I'll get my GitHub. Okay, this is my username. Let me check. Yeah, this is my username. Directly I'm gonna type there. Okay, that's it. Let me click on update profile. So that's how we update our profile. So now we will update our about me section also. So let me click on, yes, this got updated. Let me click on view profile, and so now click on edit profile. Yeah, you see the tag. Now we can attach, we can add, you can write about me. So tell about yourself through magical story. So they are expecting us to write a magical story here. So whatever you want, you can write it. I'll say, hello, I'm currently working on Volvo, and I started my journey of working with APIs when I need to make my lovable artificial intelligent entities to communicate with each other. That's it. So if I need to write, my skills include I have to write everything from Python to AI tool stack, and from AWS to Azure, and all DevOps tools, most of the DevOps tools. I think if you're watching, you might have known this DevOps tools. Okay, so let me save this. That's it. I have added my profile about me section also. Then if you want to pin anything here to highlight sections, if you want to highlight for anything here, you can do that. Then that's it for now. From here So this is how we customize, and we have made our account public, and we have customized our postman, and we have explored about the purpose and what all things we can get from the postman profile.